Okay, the question says, what is the range of the function? And then express your answer using set builder notation. Okay, so first thing is first, let's figure out what is A, B, and C so we can figure out what is the vertex of this function. We know A is -1, we know B is 0, and we know that C is equal to 5. So if we want to find the vertex, we know that H is going to equal -B over 2A. So that becomes 0 over 2 times -1, which we know is going to give us 0. And then to find the value of k, we know this is going to be f of 0. So this becomes -0 squared plus 5, which is equal to 5. So therefore, we can say that the vertex is equal to 0 and then 5. Okay, and what else do we know? Well, the value x is equal to a is equal to -1 is less than 0. So we know that this opens down, which means if it opens down, then it's going to have a maximum point. Okay, so we know that 5 is the maximum value. So then if we want to find the range of the function, if the maximum is 5, then that means all the y values have to be less than or equal to 5. Because in interval notation, it would then go, interval notation would be the same thing as saying -infinity to +5 with a bracket. And therefore that would tell us that the range all the way goes up to 5. Now let's confirm this on the graph. Okay, so if we want to confirm this on a graph, we have -x squared plus 5. So again, as you can see here, this is our graph. Okay, so from our graph, we can determine what the range is. And if you look at the range, again, the maximum is at 5, and it starts at -infinity. And therefore, that confirms our answer.